Okay, hello everybody. I want to talk with you guys today about surface area, okay? Specifically today, surface area of rectangular prisms, like we have one here on the board. Three-dimensional object, talked about it with surface area. When we do these, we're working with three-dimensional shapes, which remember means that there is a length, there is a width, and there is a height, right? We've got those three dimensions. Okay, now, and if you remember, to start this, all we're going to do, we just want to find how much area is on the surface of this shape. So that means how much area is the front and the back and the two sides and the top and the bottom. Okay, so to start this, I'm just going to start, and we're just going to find the area of each side, of each face, right? So let's start, and I'm going to write up here to help me keep it organized, and I'm going to say that, all right, we're going to find the top, we're going to find the bottom. Okay, we're going to find the two sides. So I'm going to put side 1, put side 2, and then we're going to do the front and the back. Okay, so let's find the area of each of these sides, and then when we're finished with that, we can just add them all together. Okay, so let's start with the top and the bottom, right? So the top and the bottom are right here. Here's the bottom, right? It's a parallelogram. Here's the top. Right, we've got another parallelogram, and if you notice, the nice thing about these rectangular prisms is that the top and the bottom, they have the same dimensions. It's both 3 by 5, so we can just find the area of one and just put it for both the top and the bottom. Okay, so let's see. So the area, it's a parallelogram, so the area is going to equal the base times the height. Looks like the base of this thing is 5 and the height is 3. So the area equals 5 times 3, which is 15 feet squared. So the top and the bottom both have an area of 15, feet? Yes, feet squared. So I'm going to write that down for both of those. Let me erase that really quick. We got 15 feet squared for both of those. Okay? So we're done with the top and the bottom. Now let's find the two sides. Let me erase the marks I've made here. Okay, and now I've got my two sides. So I've got one right here, one over there. I'm going to outline these really quick. Okay, there's one side. Sorry for the squiggly line. All right, and here's the second side over here. Okay, right, and again, I noticed it's a parallelogram. So for parallelogram, the area equals the base times the height. Okay, in this case, the base of this parallelogram is right here, is 3 feet, and the height from right here to right there, we see it over here, is 7 feet. Okay, so my area is going to equal 3 times 7. Right, 3 times 7 equals 21. So my two sides both have an area of 21 feet squared, right? Okay, so we've got 4 of them. Let me write it here for my second side, 21 feet squared. So we've got 4 of the faces now. We just need to find the front and the back. Okay, so let's mark those really quick. Let me do some erasing. All right, so my front right here, we can see it. I'll outline it really quick. Here's my front and here's my back, right? Same shape, same size, just, one's in the front, one's in the back. So let's go ahead and find the area. Again, we notice this is a parallelogram, so the area equals the base times the height, okay? It's not 3 by 7 anymore though, so let's see. The base of this parallelogram is 5, the height from right here to right here is 7. So the area is now going to equal 5 times 7, all right? So 5 times 7 is 35, the area equals 35. So the front and the back of this rectangular prism have an area of 35 feet squared. 35 feet squared. Okay, so there we go. We have found the area of the top, the bottom, the two sides, and the front and the back of our surface here. Now, to find the surface area, the last thing we need to do, we just need to add all of these up. We need to find out what is 35 plus 35 plus 21 plus 21 plus 15 plus 15. Okay, so let's go ahead and take care of that and see what we can do. So let's do these first. 15 plus 15, I can do that really quick, is just 30, right? 21 plus 21 is 42. And then 35 plus 35 is 70. So really, what is 30 plus 42 plus 70? We're adding up all the sides. Okay, so 30 plus 42 plus 70. 0 plus 2 is 2, plus 0 is 0, or is 2, excuse me, it's 2. And then, let's see, 3 plus 4 is 7, 7 plus 7 is 14, so we get 142. So the surface area is going to equal 142 feet squared. Okay, so there we go. In order to find the surface area, we're just going to find the area of all 6 sides, like we did first, right here, and then add all of those together to get our final surface area of 142 feet squared. Okay, so make sure when you're doing this, remember that if it's a rectangular prism, it is going to have 6 sides. You need to find the area of the top, the bottom, the front, the back, and then the 2 sides. Okay, don't forget any of those or those sides, and you'll be doing great. So thank you guys so much. Keep up the good work and good luck doing this.